Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters, where all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And I don't think many of you can grow lettuce like you see right here. This is amazing. It's amazing, amazing lettuce. I never water these plants. I never feed these plants. I only supplement the environment. And guess what? Voila, it grows my food for me. Torpedopot, what it does is that it excites the microbes in the soil to create life. So then that life can now be expressed in your plants. From that fungus to the plant's root system, it makes that middle connection. And then from there, everything you've been used to in the plant, in terms of digestion, health, everything you've needed are in that plant. And so that's what Torpedopot does. It grows your food for you with no human intervention. It does it extremely well. I don't need to tell you how perfect this food is. Not one blemish. Not one problem with any one of my plants in this planter. Why? Well, because I know how to grow food. Throw away your spade, your trowel, your tiller. Throw away all of those big backhoes and those big plows and all these things. Torpedopot grows food more efficiently than anything you've ever seen before in your life. I'm harvesting my food right now, and I'm gonna tell you something. For lettuce this time of year, oh my gosh. April, I would say we're going to do about 50 pounds of lettuce. 50 pounds of lettuce. I eat about a pound of lettuce, I guess every other day in some form. And lettuce, coming out this time of year, we have celery, we have Swiss chard, we have broccoli, not fully bloomed broccoli, but we also eat the plants of the broccoli. Seed them up and use things as microgreens, and we use the microgreens we eat earlier. Grown directly from the soil. So this is Torpedopot. So what I'm coming out today for is to harvest my lettuce. Is that okay? Let's do that together. So this is what this lettuce looks like. I just want to give you an idea of what you're in for. This is what you're in for. Nice, wholesome, delicious food. You can't find this anywhere in the world. Nowhere in the world growing like this, baby. You follow our growing conditions in Torpedopot, this self-growing planter will grow all of the food that you will ever need. Trust me, Torpedopot will get you there. Now let's go harvest. I want to harvest one big head. Is that okay? Now for those who are very picky, harvest one leaf or two leaves at a time. That's fine. You don't have to cut down the whole head. I'm doing it right now so you can see exactly what you're dealing with with a head of lettuce. But remember now, this lettuce is going to grow back over and over and over and over again. Hence, Torpedopot right here. Now, it's hard for me to show you my camera because this is way down here, but Torpedopot is a mobile system for the elderly and for children. All you do is pull the Torpedopot out, and you can get a better picture of anything you want. It's a mobile system. So I'm going to cut down a head of lettuce. I feel like eating it, I guess. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, this is really big right here. Yeah, let's try this one. Is that okay? I don't want to take it out of the ground. I just want to cut it down from the lowest point, okay? But I'm not trying to take the root system out because it will grow back. Let it grow over and over and over again. Actually, I rarely ever cut it down this low. But I wanted to cut it down this low for you guys to see, okay? Because I wanted you to see how low we have. Look how fruitful that is. Look how healthy that is. Have you ever seen anything so healthy and so beautiful? So true to form, so true to color. This is just one. Look at it, guys. Just one. My Torpedopot grew my lettuce for me, and it's going to grow back over and over and over and over again until it reaches its full life cycle. Isn't that beautiful? That's absolutely amazing. That's amazing. That's Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. It doesn't matter where you grow, they're all showing the same signs of health and beauty. Torpedopot grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. Requires less resources. You never water. You never feed. You only supplement the soil, and you'll get food like I have. Now, that's just, I think 2, right? 2 heads, right? And like I said, don't cut it down that low, but as you can see, once you cut it down, they grow back, okay? See the stamp here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that'll be 9, and these. So, you'll be able to harvest as much as you want when you want it. When I'm going to harvest these, I don't know. But remember now, you have a system where you can adjust the water to ensure that that plant never starts to wane during its full life cycle, except it does it by its own genetic characteristics. In other words, you have the environment that makes it so plush for these plants that they can grow throughout their full life cycle. So they can live, practically, some plants can live forever. And that's what this is. We wanted to harvest it over and 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 over again. This is amazing. I love this. So my Torpedopot, these self-growing planters, are capable of feeding you and your family. They're designed to do that. A lot of you are spending probably up to about $20-something thousand a year on food. Dude, for a family of 4. And dude, that's amazingly expensive. Get a Torpedopot. Learn to grow your own food. And it's so much healthier. I don't have to be here when this is growing. I never water. It waters by itself. It feeds my plants by itself. All I do is supplement. I do nothing. I come out and I harvest. I have a great time harvesting. It's called a Torpedopot. You gotta get one. You gotta get one. You gotta get one. And it's amazing. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing. That's really, 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 really amazing. I love that. I love that. All right, well, I'm going to call it a day because I've got to harvest so much other stuff. I only need 1 meal. So I'm going to try to finish this tonight. But as you can see, this is just a small area. I've got so many pounds going in the background there. But I don't have a need to harvest immediately. Why? Because I can leave it in my Torpedopot and it will grow throughout its life cycle. As long as you have enough water to sustain that environment. Not a lot of water, but adjusting your water cycles when needed to create the environment that you like that plant to grow in. As long as you do that, you are so cool. So we took a beet plant and we stuck it in here. It was dry, it was hanging over, it was what was left over from the beets that we were planting earlier in my grower. And now it's caught and it's starting to grow. All of the lettuce that you see here, about 80 heads of lettuce came from my grower. I brought it for about $15. And I put them in my Torpedopots. For $15, I have lettuce for the next 5 to 6 months if I wanted to. Torpedopot, that's what it does. I'm refusing to touch this because even though it's beautiful, I want you guys to see how it grows and all this stuff. But more importantly, you see the small lettuce that's coming back down here. DarrellRadisson, Torpedopot.com. I think I've milked this enough. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.